So it took me around 18 minutes up to this point. It's the absolute highest point. In 1 hour we would be in Austria and jump to the right in Croatia. So it is a very tiny, lovely country. Looks like it's starting raining. Probably a bad day to do some filming, but that's okay. It's also quite cold, 6-7 degrees. On the other hand, beautiful fresh air. So today I want to run my normal track in the forest. So okay, so it starts here and then it goes all up to the top of this mountain range and on top to the right, to the end, and then afterwards back the same way. So yeah, let me show you how this looks like. Okay, so let's start. Oh, the next 10 minutes also it goes all uphill, quite steep. So I like uphill running, especially when the air is so fresh, and yeah, it's really fun. The cold was quite a problem for the last 4 or 5 months. One day we had minus 12 degrees and snow, and then even running is getting a bit problematic. Despite of the fresh air, it hurts the lungs, but today it's really pleasant. So from here I leave the forest street and now it goes all up to the highest point of this range. Looks like, yeah, from here you don't see any track, but that's after 100 meters you will see there's already track established by me, by the deer, by the peaks. So yeah, it looks like nobody's walking here, nobody's running here. I'm the only one. So I maintain this track, keep it free from branches and some bigger stones. That's it. Yeah, so here you can also already see that somebody is using this path. Okay, let's continue. So it took me around 18 minutes up to this point. It's the absolute highest point. Normally you have here a beautiful view. You can see the Slovenian mountains. you can see the Austrian mountains, the border. On the other side you can see towards Croatia. Again, today it's a bad day to demonstrate a good view, but you get an idea, even on a cloudy day like today, how beautiful it is, and why I like it so much. Being together with nature, being connected with the trees. I don't know if you believe into that, but I believe you can connect with trees. We feel the calmness, we feel the balance, and yeah, it's great. It's also the place where I like to do some short meditation, some standing meditation. In another video I will show how I do that, some reflecting. It's a wonderful place to switch off and to reflect and enjoy. Oh, the peaks must have been very active this night. You see they turn the earth upside down. This may have been a deer. So that's my exercise place. I say my because nobody else is using it. I'm doing here Tai Chi mostly, and some Qigong, but mostly Tai Chi. Okay, my Qigong, Tai Chi exercise is done. Now I'm heading back. It's starting raining again, and the wind flared up, so I got quite cold. So running in Tai Chi is not the same, and my body temperature dropped too much a bit. So yeah, I will warm up as soon as I start running again. And here we are at the border to Croatia, so we are in 1 hour we would be in Austria and jump to the right in Croatia. So it is a very tiny, lovely country with 62% forestry cover. That is very, very unique. Here you get paid to maintain the grassland, and not like in Australia you get incentives to plant trees. So see, everything is possible in this world. Okay, I think I start running again before I cool down too much. So I mentioned already with this trail, you have to watch out where you step. It's not perfect to hold the camera at the same time. But again, it's a fantastic training, balance, joint strength. So it's really great. Oops. And falling here is normal. I had once a run where I was falling 3 times. That's simply also a sign to have a break and not to overdo it. Your body is always showing you what's possible or not. Normally these leaves are quite slippery, especially after rain, but today it's not bad. You can see the street, don't you? on the left side already. That's down there, the White House. This is where it's my destiny, our house. And at the horizon you see already part of Austrian mountains. More on the right side you would see Ptuj, one of the oldest city in Slovenia. Well, let's continue. It's really fresh right now. I can't stand too much. Need to continue moving. Okay, almost back. I hope you enjoyed this video. My goal is to share with you my strategy, all the things I'm doing to promote longevity. It's not really a secret, but there are some things you may not know. So if you're interested in this topic, including Tai Chi, Qigong, running, nutrition and so on, so feel free to subscribe. Oh, where are the chickens? They're hiding. Even for them it's getting too cold. Come out. Want to be part of the video? They're still quite young, they are 10. Yesterday we got for the first time eggs, 5. Ah, they're all coming. Curious, very curious. Yeah, okay. So I'm ending here. There's a little overview of fruit trees. So again, hope you enjoyed the video and I see you next time. Bye bye.